Look, this country doesn't have a government. This country has a bunch of charlatans masquerading as a government. They don't listen to the people of Ireland. They prostrate themselves in the most slavish fashion before the demands of the institution of European capital, the ECB, the EU Commission and others, which institutions in turn subject themselves to the demands of the European financial markets, international bankers, hedge funds, vulture capitalists in pursuit of super profits. This band of charlatans, masquerading as a legitimate government, with breathtaking arrogance, rams through Dáil Éireann, the National Parliament, in a few hours, a water services legislation that piles new burdens of water taxes on the shoulders of our already hard-pressed people as a result of austerity policies. Another bondholders' tax to continue to pay the disastrous speculative debts which this cowardly government continues to bleed our people for. This water services bill is nothing more than a charter to bleed new water taxes from ordinary people and to make of water, which is a human need and a human right, a business commodity that can be bought and sold in the capitalist marketplace, privatised and handed over to multinational water companies. This legislation and any attempt to charge for water should be met by our people by a massive nationwide boycott of this unjust tax, as was done in 1994, 5 and 6, and compelled the government of that day to abolish them. This is perfidious legislation, entirely befitting the bunch of charlatans from Fine Gael and the Labour parties that call themselves a government and are ramming it through. And apart from these words, Cathaoirleach, and voting against this water services bill, I will take no further part in these proceedings, as that would only confer credibility on a charade and a grotesque abuse of even the remotest concept of democracy.